Hey people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change profile picture on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, just tap on the three lines icon on the upper right corner and then head over to your profile. And from there, just tap on your profile photo and then tap on choose profile picture. Once you're there, just tap on any photo you want. Suppose I'm choosing this one or this one. And then if you want to share your update to your news feed, you can check mark it. And if you don't want your profile picture to be shared in your news feed, you can just uncheck it and then tap on save. As you can see, my profile photo is being updated, and once it is done, here you can see, here it is. Yeah, this is how you can do it too and change your profile picture. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.